Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akram and you're watching Knowledge 360. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to return a table from a function in PostgreSQL. So please don't skip the video and watch till the end to understand the concept completely. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Before we go to function, let's create a table where we'll store few dummy records that later we'll fetch from that. So let's create a table. Here we are inserting two records into the table that we have created. Now let's see them by doing select star from table name. Here we have two records. One is with ID 1 and name is Akram, and ID 2 name is Sohail. So we'll fetch this data from a function that we'll create, and I will show you how to return a table from a function calling. So let's progress for that. So the function is created here. Let's now I will show you how to call it. Basically I will show you two ways to call it one by another. Please don't skip the video and watch both of the methods. We have created a simple function get data table that will return us all the data present in the table function test that we created and inserted record into it. To return a table from function, we use returns table syntax and specify the columns of the table. Each column is separated by comma that you can see here. I have written ID and name, two columns to that I want to return from the table function test, and also mention them in the out parameter that will be returned. So let's call the function. As I had said, there are two methods to call the function and get data from table. Uh, let's show you first method that I use to get data from function. This is the first one. Here we get the data, but the issue is with this is that data are in one single column, but I want to return data as it is stored in table, that is in two columns. One column was ID and another column was name. So for that, how I write the syntax is select star from, then function call it will return the data as it is stored in the table. So here is the data, and the column names are those that I had specified in the return statement. So this way we return a table from a function calling in PostgreSQL. So guys, if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video. I post technical videos and will discuss more topics in upcoming videos. To get the updates, please subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please mention in the comment section, or you can also write me at the mail address I have provided. So thanks for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.